So we're at the point where we're about to delete the resonator and make our way back, put on the mufflers and the tips.
Slice of pizza. Bread. You want me to take what's inside the car out?
You have gloves?
No. I have marijuana.
Bring that shit in here.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Now you're getting breeze off. Oh, hang on. Let me get my cigs. Let me get my cigs. Let me get my cigs. I am way too hot. Super loose. Yo, they don't want you to use
Old.
Your brake?
No.
Okay. That's hilarious.
That weight reduction. Jesus.
Oh, it's moving. Start moving on me.
Hang on, stop. I got.
I'm a little scared. Give it a little rev.
All right, fam. So we finally got this done. Took at least a whole day to get it done because of the fabrication and custom piping with it in the bottom. And once that was done, I got the Quadtips on as well. So diffuser's gonna be going on over there. So that's why the Quadtips are like a little bit lowered. So he's got plenty of space on top for diffusers to go in. And right now it's quiet. He's got a muffler and resonator. Well, I would say resonator delete 1.5. So for the 1.5 to get the sound, you have to remove the resonator. And the exhaust in the back, he's got the remote. So go ahead, throw the remote, bro. All right, you got 25% for A, 50% for B, 75 for C, and then D. That makes it fully open or closed?
Fully open.
Fully open,
A
right?
makes it fully open.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it starts off at 100. So it goes down to like 100 to 75 and then 50 and then closed. Okay, got it. Yeah, go put it on C. I don't know, whatever. Okay, nice. Put it on A. That'll make it louder, right? Yeah. I think, is it open? Yeah, I hear it. All right, so the exhaust is done. Remote right here. It changes from 25% to 50%, 75%, 80%, but we'd like to just open and close it. So that's open. I think that's open. That's closed. So if you go for it, bro, do a rev. Do a few revs, and we'll definitely find out. So it does a resonant delete, and what the mufflers is custom in the back. That's on my website with the Quadtips as well. So that's just the resonant delete, and then we'll open it. Oh, that's quiet. We'll open it now. There you go. That's muffler and resonant delete right now. See, that's a lot louder. Bro, that is sick. Got the pops too, so yeah, let's go for a short drive and see how it sounds. Alright, so right now the valves are closed. And it's pretty quiet inside. It's like it's stock. That's crazy. I think this is what solves a lot of people's problems. If you're going on long trips and stuff and you don't want to hear your loud exhaust, you can just close the valves. And I'll go ahead and open it now and we'll see the difference. Now it's open, right? Yeah. Now it's open, so. Yep, now you can hear it. It's a little windy outside, but I don't know if you guys can catch it on the camera and the mic, but definitely. Yep. Now it gets louder. Just floor it a little bit straight here. You get the sound of it. Oh, that truck. Yeah. Nice. It sounds clean. No drone inside or anything like that, so you don't get annoyed. But yeah, that's it. So it came out really great.
That's the quiet one.
Yeah, now it's closed. Now it's open.
Right, mate?
Now the valve's
Is
open.
it turbo?
Yeah.
I hear it a spool, man. It's like.
Give it a louder rev.